Hi, today I want to talk with you about how to purchase our materials at our student store. What you'll be purchasing are materials for your GEL 101 course. These materials include LaunchPad, which is our online resource that goes with your book connections. Under option 2, you'll see that there is a link that'll take you right to our student store. So what I'm going to do is start off by clicking on the link. And once it launches into a new page, you'll see our student store. So you can see that it's for Cal State University San Marcos. It's for the GEL 101 program, and so you know you're in the right place. There are two different things that you can buy. One is an all online digital option that includes the ebook. So that would be LaunchPad, that's this option here. Now LaunchPad is an access code that you get in your email if you purchase it and can redeem it. Again, it's $39.99. You get 6 months of access, and it is the most economical option. The next is the loose leaf version of the book, so it's the actual print book with the LaunchPad Access Code shrink wrap to it. And in this case, you would get it mailed to you at your home address, and it's $49.99. So you have two different options. The first thing you have to do is you have to register. So I'm going to go up to the right-hand side and click on Register. And I need to click Create an Account. So I'm going to go through and add all of the information as quickly as I can. And I'm going to click that I've read the terms of use and click Confirm my email. Now what's going to happen now is I'm going to need to go back to my email, the email address that I provided, which was my Gmail address, to complete the registration process. So I'm going to go up to my Gmail up here, and I do have an email from Macmillan Learning. So I'm going to click on it. And once I'm here, it's going to let me know that if I click on this link, I can complete my registration. So I'm going to click on it. And once I'm here, I'm going to be asked a series of questions. So for the school, I'm going to say CA State Univ dash San Marcos. So again, that's CA space State space Univ dash San Marcos. So that's what I want, and I'll click it. I'm going to have to come up with a password. So this password, if you hover over this I, it's got to be 8 characters, lowercase, uppercase, there's got to be a number, and also a special character. So you have to pay really close attention to that. And be sure that you either write this down or record it somewhere. So I am going to come up with a password. All right. Let's see if that works. Okay. This box is if you like emails or not from Macmillan. And then you're going to have 3 security questions. So I'm going to say all of my answers in each of the boxes. And get through this quickly. And you may want to write this information down as well. Okay, now I want to create my account. Okay, so at this point we can refer back to our handout from the instructor or email if that was the way that you were sent this information. So I'm going to go back to this LaunchPad handout or email that your instructor may have emailed you. And at this point, I'm going to put into this search bar either the print ISBN or the LaunchPad ISBN, which is the all digital option. So this white search bar right here is where I'm going to place that. Now where I can find those ISBNs are right here. So under option 2, I've got my LaunchPad access. So this is the all digital access with ebook, or I've got my loose leaf version of the book with the LaunchPad access code attached to it. So you're going to copy down one of these ISBNs to put in that search area. In this case, I'm going to buy the LaunchPad All Digital Access Code. So I'm just going to copy it, or you can of course write it down. And then I'm going to go back to the search bar and place it right there. So it's going to recognize it right away. This is for Cal State San Marcos, LaunchPad for Connections, 6 months online. And I'm going to say, yes, that's the one. And it's searching for it. And here is where I'm actually able to buy it. So I'm going to click on it. I'm going to add it to my cart. And once I add it to my cart, I'm going to check out. So I'll click on checkout on the right-hand side. And it's going to ask me for my name, my zip code, my city. And as I put in this information, it's going to ask me delivery method, payment, and then you're going to be able to review your purchase. Again, this is something that is electronic. So this LaunchPad access code will be emailed to you and you can redeem it. So this concludes our video. I hope this was helpful. Have a great